Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. Now in this video today, I'm going to be creating some DIYs with items that I purchased mostly from the Dollar Tree. Now there's many different ways that we can shop budget friendly to decorate our home for the holiday. Now we can go thrifting, we can go shopping at budget-friendly stores, or we can DIY, or all of them, really, to get our home looking beautiful. Now this video is a part of a collaboration called DIY Fall Home Decor Ideas. So this is being hosted by Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden and myself, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Now, if we head on over to the video, you're going to see me decoupaging this beautiful printed cloth on this wood round that I purchased from Dollar Tree. Now, after we go ahead and lay that cloth down, then it's just time to embellish this piece for the fall. Now, we're laying the cloth with the Mod Podge, and then once we lay that cloth, we're going to go ahead and seal everything in with the Mod Podge as well. You have to let everything fully dry before you decide to embellish. Now stay tuned because toward the end of the video, I have some other footage that I'd like to show you as I decorated throughout the house. Now, isn't this piece absolutely adorable? I found this in my stash, and we're going to go ahead and decoupage that same piece of cloth onto this piece. And then we're going to go ahead and start the embellishing process. Now, whatever your decor style is, I'm sure your home will look absolutely beautiful for the upcoming holiday. Now, while these things were drying, I went into my stash and grabbed a couple of items to go ahead and embellish and bring in a touch of fall. So we're laying the jute bow onto this piece, and we're heading on over to the reveal of these two projects. So this is giving me a little bit of that cottage core vibes, and I'm loving it. Now I'm kind of feeling these traditional colors for the fall, so I guess we're going to stick with those. So you'll see that at the end of these photos. So what better place to start than over here with the wreath at my front door? And I think this is a perfect touch of fall, very little, but yet speaks volumes. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy creating it for you. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen. Now decorating a shelf unit or even decorating a console, a coffee table, all of those things with touches of fall look fabulous.